Good day, everyone! We are the Group 7, Tribunalo Alexa Marie, Balansag Mirian, and Alcaceba Yankees. But before you can watch our video presentation, let us first watch this video and be knowledgeable. The universe and everything in it. Obey the laws of mathematics. From planets and stars to flowers and plants, from pyramids and buildings to clocked strings and notes, and everything goes around by the numbers.
Good day, everyone. We are the Group 7, and today we are going to present to you
the different patterns we see in nature and the creative way that we do.
This is a starfish, and a starfish is one of our sea creatures. Starfish is one example of radial symmetry pattern. Radial symmetry is the arrangement of body parts around a central axis, something with a radius or rays. Just like the starfish, the arms of the starfish are called rays, and we all know that starfish is one of our nature.
Bawat galaw ay ating pasya kung lalaban o sasama. Pag-ibig ay kulay at tiwalay, tumatatag pagtunay. Malakas na galing sa tubig at sa puso mo'y mahigay.
Another pattern is wave pattern. Wave pattern is most often seen when looking at the ocean. A wave in the ocean is a vibrational pattern created within a medium when the vibrational frequency of the source causes reflected waves from one end of the medium to interfere with incident waves from the source.